Hello there, and welcome to HugoConf 2022.
Hi everyone, I'm Kim, and welcome to my lightning talk on how we've used shortcodes to implement conditional processing.
And I'm here to tell a few stories about Hugo and our use of it.
Why reverse engineering Hugo?
Right, that's great. That's how you deploy your Hugo application to Cloudflare pages.
This is the HugoConf B.
What we're really enabling here is a do-it-yourself website builder. Your own custom components on your own Hugo site with your own Git repo.
You know, it's been really gratifying watching Hugo grow over the years to get all these capabilities that we used to have to do by hand. Now it's all just built into Hugo.
Initially, we used modules to ensure a consistent look and feel across our doc projects. 15 writers, dozens of doc sets, and they all need to read and look like they're coming from the same organization.
My ambition was not to take on Jekyll. My ambition was much smaller. My ambition was, look, if I can build a project that powers my blog, I'll be pretty happy. If I can do that. If it can help other people, I'll be ecstatic.
Running PageFind, we can see that it indexes the entire site in under 10 seconds.
So I'm going to go through and walk step by step through some of the processes that I've used personally for websites with Hugo, and I challenge you to try to make the world a better place.
Let's lock it in. This is officially Humble the Bee. I love that name.
Never merge anything without proper testing. No matter how innocent a pair looks or how small the pair is.
And I decided to go with Hugo because I found that it was the best, and I still think it's the best.
How to build a blogging platform, and it will not take more than a few minutes.
On the same view, you can also create new content. You can do this by clicking on the Create Content button, specifying it.
What can we do to be more economical with our time, but still keep to the above requirements?
So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy those files into the content post folder.
In this talk, I will tell you how you can configure Hugo so that it automatically resizes and compresses all images in your project.
It's already created itself, but it became my go-to solution to perform HTTP requests with Hugo.
We can come in here and we can build out our burger, and we can say that we want some cheese above our patty, and we want lettuce on the bottom or above, and maybe we want to come in here and blasphemously add sauce directly on our bun. We could add some sauce there, and you can sort of see that at this point I'm just having fun.
Now this is great because it can decrease the size of your CSS and therefore improve page load rendering times.
I'm going to tell you about Quicker, a new offline CMS for Hugo.
I want to demystify internationalization with Hugo.
Every time an action gets generated, you can choose to write a token to the workflow that has permissions that are related to that workflow.
I built this tool called Figmage, which is a Figma plugin. And what it does is it takes your design inside of Figma and it gives you a link to it.
Now Hugo comes built in with various built-in templates and shortcodes, but you can also create your own with this powerful templating language.
So, as an example, you could create an include content.
It's all for the love of Hugo, really. I mean, it's honestly, it's been so exciting. I had no problem waking up, just full of interest and enthusiasm.
Yeah.
And like we were saying in the chat, everyone has learned so much that we're just leveling each other up.
So I started evaluating some platform, and I finalized the Hugo.
So we created a directory-based archetype for gRPC that writers use when creating a new API document.
And when you click, you get an import screen, and you can import the template.
Fell into Hugo just because, you know, I was using WordPress like probably many of you, and you know, my site started breaking.
Here you see two different kinds of shortcodes, and we'll dig into what makes them different here in a bit.
Yeah, no, it's been a great conference. I've had a lot of fun, and thank you so much for joining. So let's end it there.